Project 66R update, November 2019. Most of the body work is completed, except for possibly one last final sand before paint. The hood needs to be prepped yet, but it's in pretty good shape. All the door seams, hood, everything's pretty good. And you can see I got a fender on the wall. This one's going to go on the wall too. What I need to do, I have not run this engine for about 4 years. So hopefully I can get that done today. I got to prime it, pull distributor, prime it. I got to put some loop lines on all the water heater lines and radiator. Rig up a gas tank, and we'll see if this thing will fire up. And I did want to check the transmission operation too. Get the rear end jacked up, and we'll see how that all goes. But for now, unfortunately, I'm pulling it back apart. Oh no! The fender's jumped up on the wall. Okay. These inner fender wells, all the major work's been done to them. The only thing that hasn't been done, I haven't ever put a primer surface around it, and there's a couple spots that need just a little light sanding. It's very minor. One of them, can't remember which one, fell off the trailer on my way back from getting them sandblasted, and I did get that all straightened out. It wasn't too bad. I can't remember what it was, something under one of these got bent or something, I can't remember, but anyway, it's all straightened out. So I did have to do a little bit of welding in the bottom of the battery case because it had a little tiny hole in it. Other than that, we're getting there. I'm going to get those fender wells off and all the front pieces, and then they can be worked on. Plus I need to still get that engine fired up. Okay, I have already turned the engine over several times while priming it, and got it at top dead center number 1 again. Actually not at top dead center, 5 degrees advanced to be exact. And we're going to check my oil pressure. Okay, I rigged up this little socket and driver here, and I'm going to climb in here carefully. There, I got oil pressure. Now I get to slip the distributor back in. And get it timed up. Okay, this thing's been sitting for at least 4 years without running. I've got fuel to it. I didn't put any water in it yet. I got it in park. I got the oil pressure gauge hooked up. I primed the carburetor. I got a battery here on the floor, and I have a hot wire to the coil, not going through the resistor or anything, but I just want to see if it's going to fire. I've already pre-lubed it, timed it, static timed it I mean, so let's see what happens. Okay, put the old hot wire on there. I got a little spark going there. Okay. Alright, I got my starter here. Wow. Holy smokes. I can't believe that thing started that quick. That is amazing. I didn't even look to see if I had oil pressure. Well, maybe I better do that again. Make sure I got all the pressure there. All right. Oh, I got all that pressure. Wow. I guess that fogging I did when I fogged this motor before I put it away really did the job. Because man, that thing fired right up. It's awesome. Alright, I do want to check the transmission. So that'll be, I got a little work to do before I get ready for that. Okay, it's up on jack stands. I have some water in the block. I had it in park, I just put it in drive. This will be the first time this engine, transmission, and rear end have been hooked up working since I took it apart, so let's hope it works. Bypass the old ballast. The ballast doesn't work. Okay, everything's working again, and I think I better quit. The temperature finally went up on the gauge. I found this old ballast resistor. I couldn't find the good one, and apparently it's bad, so I had to bypass it. But remarkably started right up. It sounds just as good as it did when I did that run-in. My oil pressure's been good. I tried reverse, low, neutral, park. Everything seems to work. Of course, I don't have any load on it. I'm not driving the car, but it is going to the back wheels, so that's pretty good. I'm gonna let it cool down, and I'm gonna run it through all its paces again and see if I can see any problems, leaks, or anything else. All right, we got the hood off. Got that put away. It runs, it starts, and all that good stuff. Transmission seems to work, the brakes seem to work. I'm going to run a little bit tomorrow yet. Got a few more things I want to check. And then we'll go from there.